Bakwit na naman tayo.
Ay, paparo ng uso.
Dali, magpabilis na naman, bilis.
October 26, 2025, Batangas, Philippines. On Sunday morning, Taal Volcano in Batangas Province, Philippines, erupted violently, sending smoke and ash more than 2,000 meters into the air. Filipinos are familiar with Taal's fury. The 2020 eruption is still fresh in their minds, sending ash from the central crater of the lake to Manila. Tens of thousands of people were forced to flee their homes. In this video, we take a look at the alarming situation at Taal Volcano, where even the smallest underground changes can cause major disasters across the Philippines. Stay tuned until the end to find out why experts are monitoring Taal Volcano.
Literal, bigla sumabog. Dade! Bigla sabog!
Above the main crater.
Ano, ganyan yung grabe, nakakilabot. Ang lakas, ngayon lang ulit tumusok ng ganyan na yan. Walang tunog sir.
Residents of Batangas began their day with a disturbing warning at dawn on Sunday, October 26, 2025. 3 consecutive eruptions from the volcanic island of Taal sent steam and ash more than 2,000 meters into the sky. Experts were immediately called into action, and everyone was faced with a frightening question. Is this a warning or a sign of impending disaster? The volcano gave its first warning at 2:55 a.m. Within seconds, a powerful phreatic eruption split the water surface and sent a column of ash and steam skyward. The intense heat of the magma caused underground water to explode, spewing steam and ash into the sky. This was only the beginning of the volcanic activity. Taal's 2 magmatic eruptions occurred at sunrise. They were magmatic, not just phreatic. They also spewed magma and solid material. According to updated data from the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, groundwater is heated by magma, triggering phreatic eruptions. These eruptions aren't just steam. The direct collision of magma and water causes high-energy explosions that send magma flying into the sky and are difficult to predict. Thick white and gray plumes rose up to 2,100 meters above the crater, their swirling motions in the morning sky showing the power of nature's fury.
Hala! Oh my goodness! Mutok ang bulkan. Ala! Pumuputok po yung bulkan ngayon.
According to the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, 229 volcanic earthquakes were recorded in October alone. Every tremor indicates the movement of magma, and scientists are closely monitoring it. This month's eruptions have been brief, but the complex infrastructure beneath the lake means activity is closely monitored, as magma approaching the surface can increase the risk. Taal is a volcanic island in the middle of the lake with a history of dangerous and violent eruptions, and is home to many residents and tourists. A sudden eruption could create heat waves, toxic gases, ash, and even a tsunami in the lake. Manila residents and online users quickly monitored the situation in Taal. Manilans know that Taal is small but very dangerous, given the terrifying experience of the 2020 eruption. In the 2020 eruption, Taal erupted, shutting down subways and airports and forcing tens of thousands of people to leave their homes. The volcano remains at alert level 1. meaning there is unusual activity, but no major eruption or evacuation is required. However, the public and officials should remain vigilant and monitor the situation closely, as volcanic activity is unusual and unpredictable. Even minor activity and alert level 1 can suddenly turn into dangerous eruptions.
Hindi pa ho. Under construction pa naman po, are. Pero usually lagi.
Seeing the fear and panic on the faces of residents, and given the experience of past eruptions, officials are trying to reassure and ease public anxiety. Nature is always unpredictable, and the smallest signs may be part of a larger warning. When the high heat of magma collides with groundwater or a lake, a lot of energy is released, and a sudden explosion can occur in the blink of an eye.
Naku po, Diyos ko po. Hoy! Wala kita yung makan mata ko eh.
Authorities issued life-saving warnings and urged residents around Taal Lake to be prepared. They should carry emergency kits, masks, drinking water, and devices that allow them to receive the latest news. Any small sign, such as an increase in toxic gases or prolonged shaking, could be a warning of an eruption. This warning is not meant to scare people, but rather a way to protect themselves from the unpredictable nature. Generations of experience have shown that responding quickly to the movement of magma is the key to saving lives and people's safety. Follow our channel for the latest news and reports on natural disasters and major global events. Our mission is to provide accurate and up-to-date information in a simple and understandable way for all audiences.